just a little squirt of some zero sugar chocolate syrup.
You tell me.
Oh, that's plenty.
2 shots of vodka.
You like it sweet, so that's gotta be good.
For all my non-caffeinated folks out there, you're not alone.
One more thing. We gotta add some milk to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you really don't have much coffee making experience though either, huh?
As you can tell.
That's
yeah.
okay. No, that's good. That's what I love about this, to show actually how easy it is to make recipes like this for yourself. It's not hard. Hello world, today I'm here in Florida. I'm in the Sarasota area unexpectedly, and I'm here with a really cool dude. His name is Nick Dompierre. You may or may not have heard of him, but today you're gonna get to know him a little bit better. Funny enough, Nick is not a big coffee guy. Well, he is, but he doesn't drink caffeine much anymore. Last minute, he was like, hey bro, I don't really drink caffeine. And I was like, oh shit. So I scrambled to find some decaf coffee that we could have today. We're gonna make a really delicious recipe. It's like a Mexican hot chocolate. When you do drink coffee, on the off occasion, what do you drink?
So usually it would just be like a decaf iced coffee with cream and sugar.
Okay, so
Extra
you like
cream, extra sugar. I like it sweet.
Okay, dude, that's perfect. That'll be right on brand for what we're doing today. Like I said, I was in a crunch last minute to find some decaf coffee, so we just have some already brewed decaf cold brew, and just gonna get right into it.
Perfect.
All right, let's do it. Boom. All right, so we're gonna start off. We have a super fancy shaker here. There's a drink that's become very trendy over the last like 2 years. It's called a shaken espresso.
Okay.
And it's because when you shake up the coffee and like agitate it, it gets like kind of foamy and it gets a really nice texture to it.
Okay.
And so that's what we're gonna do today, but we're doing it with cold brew.
Sweet.
So for all you out there, you can do a shaken espresso, even if you don't have espresso. We're gonna start off with about 4 ounces of the cold brew. Next up, just a little squirt of some zero sugar chocolate syrup. Just a tiny squirt.
Baby squirt.
Just a baby squirt
Okay.
of liquid stevia. And then finally, we're gonna add just a couple little dashes of cinnamon powder to it. What this drink reminds me of is Mexican hot chocolate that I used to drink when I was younger. It's a yellow package, so it'll be cool to see what you think after we get this made up. We're gonna get some ice and add it to the shaker. Shake that thing up. See how it's like foaming up?
Oh, yeah.
It gets a real nice like velvety texture to it when it's like that. And then you can dump it back in your cup. We gotta finish it off with a little bit of milk. 2 or 3 ounces by the time he adds it in.
I use this stuff too, it's great.
Yeah, Fairlife is the
13
bomb.
grams of protein per serving.
Look how good that is. This is his first time making it. It's that easy. 25 to 30 calories. Let's get the taste test going
All
on
right,
here.
here we go. Oh, wow. That's really good.
And easy.
Yeah.
So good.
That's delicious.
Dude, let's go. If you give it a rating, what would you say out of 10?
0.5 to 9.
That's
I could use a little more sweetness. I like
Okay.
it super sweet.
Yeah.
But it's very good.
solid. Does it have that Mexican hot chocolate vibe with the cinnamon powder?
Yeah, it has a little kick
Like
from the cinnamon.
there's a little bit of spice in there.
It still has a really nice coffee flavor, which I absolutely love because I never really get to drink coffee. So this is like, I feel like I'm drinking coffee
Perfect.
without the kick.
All right, Nick, we got our coffee. Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
I want to get to know you. Let's sit down and have a conversation.
Sounds great.
All right.